In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share a post on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, and on the next step we just need to find a post we would like to share. Let it be that one. All we have to do is just tap at the share button just at the bottom right corner of the post, just over here. Tap at share, and then you will be able to share it directly to your Facebook timeline, so the post will be displayed on your Facebook profile page in your timeline among your own posts and other shared posts. However, you can also share this post using any messengers or any social media platforms from here. Also, if we tap at copy link, in this way we can copy the direct link to the particular post to our clipboard, and then let me show you how to do that. Once the link is copied, we can go to any messenger, any social media platform or Notes app, why not, and then we can just paste the link we have copied. If you decided to share the post on your profile, tap at share, and then tap at share now. It says posting and then posted. Then if we go to our Facebook profile page, we can find the post we have just shared at the very top of all our Facebook timeline. That's how you can easily share a post on Facebook. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.